Welcome to your daily dose of dividend. Alan made a request for Cigna, so let's take a look at that. Cigna, with its market cap of $83 billion, is a health insurance company. With its dividends reinvested, it has actually outperformed the S&P 500 by quite a lot over the last 10 years, but also being quite volatile during that period. Let's take a look at some key fundamentals. Most data is based on a 5-year average. Sales growth, a very nice 34%, check mark there. Earnings growth, 17%. Earnings estimates also strong, 11%. Return on capital is a bit low, 8.2%. Here we want over 12% for check mark. Debt to free cash flow just above the threshold of 5 years. Bought back shares, they actually have more shares outstanding now than 5 years ago. Dividend yield is 1.73%, so that's an X. We want over 2%. Payout ratio is quite low though, only 18.94%. So there is room to continue raising it. Growth rate is very, very high, but that is because they have been raising their dividend like crazy just the last 2 years. So that gives Cigna 5 out of 10 score. If we take a look at gurufocus.com, they found Cigna to be fairly valued right now. So what's your thoughts on Cigna in a dividend portfolio? Quite high debt, and they haven't been raising their dividend for many years. But let's also take a look at fast graphs on some valuation and future estimates. Here we can see that we have quite a lot of data. If we zoom out, we have all the way back to 2002. And Cigna is performing very well. It has been very nice earnings growth. Earnings is the orange line here. The black line is its is the stock price, and the blue line is the normal valuation. It's normal P ratio. It has actually been compounding at 11.39% its earnings during this period. If we go to a 10-year period, we can see that if the stock would trade at this normal PE, which is 13.97, projected out to late 2024, we would have a total annual rate of return of 18%. So there you have it. That's Cigna. What do you guys think? If you found this informative, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And also, if you would, you can make a request for a stock analysis in the comments. That's it for today, guys. Have a nice one. See you next time. Bye.